Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS in 3 days. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Next, identify your current strengths and weaknesses to prioritize your study efforts. We'll then dive into specific, actionable tips for each module, ensuring you maximize your score. Remember, efficient preparation is key, so let's get started with a focused approach to conquer the IELTS. On your first day, concentrate on the listening and reading sections. Spend about 2 hours on listening practice, using official IELTS audio. Pay close attention to keywords and question types. For reading, complete 1 full practice test under timed conditions. Afterward, thoroughly review your answers, understanding why correct options are right and incorrect ones are wrong. This helps you identify patterns and improve your comprehension speed and accuracy. Day 2 is all about the writing section. Practice both Task 1 and Task 2. For Task 1, aim to describe a chart or graph in 20 minutes, focusing on key features and trends. Then, dedicate 40 minutes to writing an essay for Task 2, ensuring you address all parts of the prompt. Pay close attention to your essay structure, paragraphing, and the range of vocabulary you use. Reviewing sample high-scoring essays will provide valuable insights. On your final day, focus on the speaking section and a comprehensive review. Practice speaking for at least 15 minutes, covering different topics and question types. Record yourself to evaluate your fluency, pronunciation, and grammatical accuracy. Afterward, quickly review your notes and key strategies for all 4 sections. Ensure you get a good night's sleep. Being well-rested is crucial for optimal performance on test day. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.